Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for businesses. These printer users should be well versed in business technology and have the necessary budget to make any 3D printing project successful. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top-rated 3D printers for business use. The 3D printer is used in condition for making objects or things of different shapes and sizes. They are used in various businesses, from aerospace to automotive, architecture to engineering, and more. For your need, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these links are updated daily to get you the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Get ready to experience easy, fast, and reliable 3D printing with the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer, the perfect solution for your business needs. With its 30% faster printing speed and 25% larger build volume than its predecessor, you can now create high-quality concept models quickly. The MakerBot Replicator Plus comes with a sizable factory-leveled build plate and a new grip surface for reduced warping and curling, ensuring that your prints appear perfect every time. The MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus results from 160,000 plus hours of rigorous testing and is designed to deliver dependable and consistent performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA polylactic acid material. The MakerBot Replicator Plus also features a suite of intelligent technology, including an LCD, onboard camera, and USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections, making it easy and accessible for anyone to use. The package includes the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer, Smart Extruder Plus, spool of PLA, flexible build plate, power and USB cables, and everything else you need to start with 3D printing. And if you need more, the MakerBot ecosystem offers a wide range of 3D printers, materials, and software. So if you want to buy the fast 3D printer for small businesses, check out the link in the description box.